Hey guys, it's Brian. I'm going to show you how to replace the flapper on your toilet. Your toilet may be leaking, you may be hearing it running water and just constantly running, and you may be having to jiggle the handle sometimes to make it stop. That can also waste water, and you'll see it on your water bill. So let's get started. We'll close this, take off the top lid here. All right, so first thing we're going to do is you're going to want to go ahead and shut off the water to the toilet. It's just going to make it easier to work with here. Go ahead and flush it. Kind of hold it down to make sure all the water is going out. It doesn't need to be all out, but a good portion of it. And now you'll be able to kind of work here with the flapper to get it off here, and I'll show you how to do that. So what happens is when this comes up, the water, when you flush, it goes down the central part here. So what's happening is water is leaking around the flapper basically when it goes down, and it continues to run, and it can shoot up your water bill for sure. So how you remove this is if you look on each end here, it's hard to show on the camera, but this side is open right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of push it this way off this black post here. So I'll show you. So see how I did it on that one? That one's now off. So all I did was I pushed it this way, and if I pull it up, see how that side is open? It's like a clamp. So I'm going to kind of put my arm around this like that, just to stabilize this portion. I'm sure it's not going anywhere, and then with this finger, I'm just going to push and hear it click like that. And so now it's off. And this is what it looks like here. And this is how the edges look. This one's not too bad. It's pretty good. Sometimes on the edges here, you can get breakdown and bacteria buildup. And what happens when the bacteria builds up is it can kind of eat away at the plastic. And when that happens, that can cause breakdown and leaking, of course. So, and this is the Corky brand. You can go ahead and replace it with another similar brand that's going to fit on this as well. So, and let's see here. And then with this part here, this just comes off. It's just like see how it's a clip system? You just depress that part down. And if you wanted to take the chain off, you could of course just do like that, depress that down, and then take the chain off like that. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get a new one. I'm just going to replace the old one here because it's working okay in this toilet here, but you could go ahead and get a new one obviously if it's not working. So first we'll go ahead and kind of place it where it's going to be. It's as far as the chain, you want to kind of extend it to where it's going to meet this clip. You can go ahead and depress that and go ahead and reclamp this back onto the black plastic pieces here. Got one side in, and we'll do the same with this side. Kind of just doing what we did in reverse. So sorry, my hands were in the way, but basically I've got the clips back on each side here, and I've got this pulled up. So you can kind of test it and lift it up, and that's going to lift it up enough to flush the toilet. And I'm going to put a new Amazon link in the description for the new flapper as well. You can also clean the bottom of the hole too to make sure there's a good sit. And then what you do is you open this back up, and what you're going to want to do after you put in the new flapper, wait for it to fill up all the way, and you're going to see if you can hear any leaks. So that looks good. You can go ahead and do the flush. And then you'll wait till the end of it filling up to listen for any leaks. Okay, so it's done filling up here. I don't hear any leaks. Looks like we're good to go. We'll go ahead and put the top back on. Hope this video helped out, guys, and check out the next one.